Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Joint Action Committee hakajing Trilang bat ka East Giant Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association bat ka Giant Hills Truck Owners Association heniga sngi kala Pynkup Burom yu Myntri Rangbah ka jila ukan rat sangma bat rui ki arngut ki Symbud Myntri Rangbah kata uba Preston Tensong bat uba snya balang dhar ki beradan benta banwanra bat ban Pyntreikam ya ka one time settlement scheme nak benta ki kali kamai hakajila. Habakran hakani ngasngi Myntri Rangbah kajila ukan rat sangma uloong baman kapo de kiriu san perthei lakin tho lada ki jingthrang jong ki patba ompat la ban pen udong tingkhat ki don ki jing sngungu bat ajingero lada ka rai ka jongki ka dei na ka benta ka jingmentoi jong ki patba uloong bakani ki jing Pynkup Burom ka long ka brankam namari kiriu san perthei bun sien lakin no yaki hakipor baki mat jing e bat kim jui I ka jing Trai stom jongki banwanra yakata ka jing penbha Shu nakaliang Myntri Rangbah uloong baka roy kapar kam day tang bantay ki yeng ni ki jingtay ki ba pher henday ka jingkan tiyo ka rukam im jong kinong shong shnong ru ka de banyat ringkat ka roy kapar kam day tang ban shna ki surok ki jingtay ni ki stadium henday ban pet baman ki rai baka sorkar ka shim kinlong ki badan jingmut bat ban kan tiyo ka rukam im jong ki pat ba ka jila Hakani kaskin la ru ka jingkran ki arngut ki Symbud Myntri Rangbah ki bapun pau ka jing sngungu ya kani kasien jam baga JAC kala le nak benta jongki bat kula ru bakini Trai ringkat nang ni shakmat nak benta ka jing bha ba ka jing mentoi jongki pat ba ka jila
The expectation is met. Or rather, let me go one step back. That before the expectation is met, then the politicians are the biggest enemy and the biggest villain in the state. I remember as a small child, my late father was the labor minister. And there was a large group of association and laborers who had come and gathered outside our house. I was very small. And they were shouting slogans against my father because there was a demand which at that point could not be met. And then after that program was going on, so my brother and myself, we didn't know what was the purpose. So we also went and joined the association and we are also shouting. And I remember the slogan that was put against my father and we also were shouting. The slogan was, PA Sangma ki dawai, jute chappal aur pitai. So this is what politicians we are used to. And we were very small, as I said, from that time we saw this. So for those who didn't understand Hindi, PA Sangma ki dawai means PA Sangma's medicine. For PA Sangma is jute chappal or pitai. Means juta se chappal, you will beat him up. So that is his medicine. So that's what politicians' life is. But it is rare and very, very rare that politicians are appreciated sometimes and felicitated by those who have benefited from the decisions that have been made. And I must put my sense of appreciation along with my colleagues. And that's the reason I took a special lesson in Khasi to thank you in Khasi, in our official language, to let you know that we sincerely appreciate this felicitation program. It means a lot to us. Because as I said, we work day and night. When the problem is there, we are the biggest villain, and when we solve the problem, nobody bothers. but it is rare, and I'm very thankful to you for organizing this program. That it is this NPP-led government, as Mas Nyoba has mentioned, puts people first. Do you think it's an easy decision for us to let 1,000 crore just write off? It is not. Because it is the same 1,000 crores which will help us pay the salaries of teachers, help our farmers, build different roads. Revenue is important for us. But this government realized that thousands and lakhs of families are affected because of this particular decision. Close to 60,000 truck owners and drivers are impacted by this. And if you multiply in the family members, minimum 3, that is almost close to 2 lakh people are affected by this decision. And when we wrote off this 1,000 crores, rather 850 crores, which we wrote off, we kept all of you in front of our eyes. We did it because of you. We realized that this would destroy thousands of families. And that is why when people say that this government talks of only the large development, they are wrong. Yes, we think about the large development, but we do not forget the citizens of our state. These important small decisions, this is what matters. And it is not only the truck drivers in the association and the truck owners. You will see this example in every single sector. It was this NPP government that resolved years and years of problems of the ad hoc and SSA teachers. Thousands of families and thousands and lakhs of students affected by this. No government dared to touch this issue and to understand it and resolve it. It was this NPP-led government that ensured that once again we kept our people in front of us. And there was no support for us. Absolutely no support. I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just giving you the facts. But that experience of being a young entrepreneur, not getting any support, made me realize the pain and difficulty that an entrepreneur goes through. And that is why those experiences led to us creating programs like Prime, like CM Elevate, and many other programs to help our entrepreneurs. And therefore, I will admit that there is much more to be done. I am not saying that we have done everything. Absolutely not. We have just started. We have just started. But one thing I can tell you, that we are in the right direction. We are better off than where we were before. And for us to take Meghalaya to that level where we dream Meghalaya to be, we need everybody's cooperation. You may not like one individual, or you may not like one politician, or you may not like the chief minister, for whatever reason. But that does not mean you start doing things that harm the people and the state. We are all here to work for the people and for the state. Please keep that in mind. And this is a message not just for the audience here, it's a message for the people in the state. That at the end of the day, individual is not important. It is the state and the public at large. We must continue to work together. Please remember, if we want Meghalaya to move forward, if we want governments, and especially our government, to take tough decisions, which we know is tough because it has huge impact, but it is good for the people. Like what we did for SSA and ad hoc teachers, like what we have done for our truck association drivers and the Joint Action Committee. For that, the will and the support of the people is absolutely paramount and necessary. I once again would like to thank you for organizing this wonderful program and only urge you at the very end that while we have been able to close the chapters of the past, clear the pending dues of the past by writing them off and some amount which you have to pay, which I would request you to please do it at the earliest. I think about 7 crores or something has been paid in the last 1 week. I expect the 100 plus crores which is there to be paid at the earliest. Please ensure that we don't have to come for a second one-time settlement. And that we are regular. Of course, Transport Department also has to do some work. We will work together. It's not just your responsibility. We also have to strengthen our team, improve our technology, and work with you. And hopefully, as I said, that we will put all of this behind us.
Phen nangla ban yo lani ban nangla shushu ban ketiu. Ya ka business ka jompi ha ka transportation sector. Kapkum, kasap, kapong, kabab mapi, barok, pio. Dekoblei si hajarmu. Nakwa ban ong ya pi saisisin pat ngi na ka government. Kam tam mangi laingut. Ngi penpau ka jing sngongu. Namar ba pidon ka mensim jong ka jing sngongu. Batru ban ai mensim syu yang ngi ka sorkar. Bangin nangla ban syakri kamba. Bat ai bakani kan long ka kubor. Yaki pait ba nong sok snong jong ka jela ka jumi. Bahabangi kwa ban tap keti. Unu no batap keti tang siliang. Kita ada di badon ke jingduna ke jabing. Habatap keti ke bot de batap boro aliang. Namar kumbang ong ya pi ki bapun ba ki ba lapmit ban wo kejat. Ngiyo ngiyo pet football man kamit. Haka World Cup. Ngiyo yo peliar ujat peliar. Ubasya ai katu karong saw doni. Ubasya ai katu karong stem doni. Mo tenrei lada pipet bahaya ka an ka kanun. Pinyo ba uno uplear ubasya ai red card sya ai yellow card. Bunsin utum ju kamyo atep gol. Lapmet kayu breu. Kelenti hiat hadil aklet. Klet saya kabol. Teken mau bha. Mapi kum kitrai. Kum kaset. Wat lapmet kayu breu. Ken mau bapin hiat na ka destination sa ka destination. Bapin nang kiyo. Haka kamay kaji. Bat om tang kata. Ngakar pat lang yagi pat ba nong song snong joko jela. Ngatharai. Kakadeu kti tan yagi wei. Kadei ka bom sei so ai rup.
Only one highway is more than 21,000 crore from Umrah to Silchar. That is almost, that has been floated for the first two phases. And the news announcement we are very pleased to hear, sir, almost 20,000 crore. Who expected such a small state like Meghalaya? And because of what? Because of God, a good chief minister and his team to work a very good atmosphere with the central government. Either seeing in tourism sector, in every sector almost. And also, maybe in the next 2 years, we are able to complete the football stadium, one of the biggest stadium in the country, which is 40,000 capacity. Memang salah kemudian mungkin tangga stadium football wa heduk and wa hamil kali hari akan ini. Wa ulang to bakala le jangan to bakala if I'm not wrong. Kemudian to bondo ki artificial top football in the whole country if I'm not wrong. Can you see go create kaman ani wong iga administrative city, wag knowledge city. They pay new common man starts more than New Zealand. We're not expecting in the last 10-15 years, we just keep talking New Zealand, nothing is happening. I didn't mean to say that the previous leader is not working. We are a teamwork, they work, but see under the NPP-led government, just go to New Zealand, how you see the transformation take place as of now. More than 15,000 crore of project is under progress while I speak here. Almost how many state highways has been created during this last 8 years? How many new house for those unelectrified? Kita kini bukan connect light. Kalau power jatuh connect light ke sorkar atau ini perasaan. Hypo cinti ke sorkar harga khatra. Kini kau kiwatan tak connection na. Kini kau connect hayun household. Lamto apa kelam mentang power jatuh ni le. Kat kelamal itu. Digililak solak tali senang di muda dayo umayun. Kisurok ko dayo di power kaya tulong boyaw de. Kawin mo sa sarong doi the national game without host in Kaliaga in the next March I think 2027. Kak won tali state India lagi state ko lagi keluar buat competition. Hana lagi start reaching pangno ya lam biomi. Usia mo tim biomo. Prime Minister special consideration, no, I will give to Mekalia to cost national game. Every top thing will provide. Kini mo na any kino yalang ko yun nga. Mper. Pero yung social media ko team i-member dari. There are so many bad things talk against us as a government, but we have no time to listen all these negative things. We are busy working towards it. We are busy working for the people of the state. We have no time to listen to all those negative allegations against the government. Let them say whatever they say. We are here to work for the people, not to listen to all those people who are talking nonsense on the road. We have got no time. Some media friends used to ask me, Mas now, how you see some people come and make this and that? No. I have no time to throw a stone back at me because I'm busy working for my people. And that is exactly happening under the NDP-led government under the leadership of Sir Konet K. Saman, Sir Christopher and me, and the entire cabinet and entire NDP government. Please remember, we as your leaders, we are always sleepless about you. Let people think whatever they say, let them think whatever they think, let them talk whatever they talk. We are not compromised at the cost of our people. And please remember also one thing before I issue my seat. The NPP leaders, we put people first, not power. Not power, please remember, we put people first. That is the NPP-led government under the leadership of Sir Konet K. Saman. Therefore, for the last 8 years, we have seen how the state move forward. We are moving in the right direction, in the right track. Maybe not up to the mark which has been expected by our people, but I'm happy to say that we are moving in the right direction, in the right track. Thank you so much. Kubrai Chibu, yang kami program UP, joint action committee kami, belai kendak kuku kerja Pyntreikam di Trok kami driver kami.